Hi, so if you want to make a graph on a Google Doc, it's actually pretty easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to Insert. You're going to click that and you're going to go to Chart. Most likely you're probably going to want to do a line chart. So you can do that. If you've already made the data somewhere in Google Sheets, you could also do it this way. But assuming that you haven't, we'll go ahead and make a line chart. When we do that, it's going to give you a kind of graph like this. It's got some pretty generic information. So if I click on that graph, just click once, don't click twice, and hit open source, what it does is it basically just makes me a document with all of the data that's being graphed. So in this case, maybe you wanted to graph how many cats each of your friends had in a given year. So we'll say that this is Jim and this is Pam. And we want to know how many cats each of them had in 2005, 2010. And we can actually just fill that data down as much as we want. Probably not farther than 2020 because that's all the further that we can go. We can assume that Jim had 3 cats, then 5 cats, then 4 cats, then 6 cats, then maybe 4 cats again, and that Pam had 1 cat, then no cats, then 3 cats, then 4 cats, then 5 cats. Now, this will automatically update there. You can also change any of the information here, like the chart title. Obviously, we want to know cats per year. If you wanted to, you could add labels on the axes as well. So you would do that by going to your customization, going to your your chart and axis titles. And you can add a horizontal axis title. In this case, it's year. And a vertical axis title. In this case, it's cats. And then when I go back over here, I'm going to hit update, and that'll give me the same chart that I had. If I wanted to change this so that it was no longer a line chart, I could also do that. I'm going to edit my chart, and I'm going to change it maybe to a scatter plot or whatever it is that I would like to do with that information. It should still come up about the same. Not entirely sure why we're not seeing Jim and Pam's information there, but it should be about the same. Probably the best is going to be that line chart though. So there you go. If you have any more questions about how to make a map or a graph, let me know. Thanks.